Do you know that YouTube is pushing live stream and giving much WH like the ones you get from your videos? Do you know that? And so many YouTubers are not taking advantage of it. But some new YouTubers, small YouTubers, old YouTubers, some of them, if you notice, they're either doing silent live stream or they are going live like every day. I have so many people that are even doing 30 days challenge, 60 days challenge, and thereabouts. If they're not getting something from it, they will not be stressing themselves to do that. And me myself, I know where my watch hour has been. And since I started going live since June, I know where my watch hour is now. And that is why, if you have been watching my video or you have been to my channel, maybe you're a new person to my channel, you will notice that I am always on a live stream. If it's not present live stream, it can be also silent live stream. So I'm going to show you another app that you can use to go live if you are a shy person or you don't know how to go about this live stuff. I'm going to live streaming stuff. I'm going to show you another live app that you're going to use to get it done, and you also get your watch hour. Let's get right into it. Yeah. Okay, my name is Shamaka Akomabo. I'm here to welcome my old and new besties. Thank you all for always supporting my channel. In my previous video, I'm going to put the link here or in the description box. And I showed how you can, make use of Restream app, and so many people have been doing it,
Wow.
and that gives me a great joy that many people watched it and they are working towards it and it's giving them what they want. And this one, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use StreamYard. The first one, previous one I did was on a Restream app, but this one is going to be on StreamYard. So I'm going to be using my phone to put us through to it. You know that anything I get and it's working for me, I don't hide to share it. Yes, let's get right into it. So we're going to go to our browser now and we will search StreamYard, and it will pop up. You click on the website, the one there, and it will open. And remember, when it opens, because I've already logged in, so you that are just coming in, it's going to ask you your details, your email you want to log in with, and you're giving them permission to log in and all that. And after you have finished it, it's going to bring you to this place and you create. And then what do we want? We are not recording and we are not going on an air webinar. Rather, we are going on a live stream. And when you get to the live stream, you have studio and you have pre-recorded video. But we're not going on a pre-recorded video. We are working on the studio. So, and when you put on the studio, it's going to ask you to select the destination where you want it to, maybe on the platform, if you want it on Facebook, if you want it on any other platform that you want it outside YouTube. But this one, the tutorial is for YouTube. So me, I have already add my YouTube as the destination. So I'm going to click on that and my name will pop up, and that's my YouTube channel, Chamaka Akomabo. So here we have title and we have description. Like every other app, it has description, it has app public, or you go, in the public is either you unlist it or you make it private. And then you have schedule. If you don't want to go live now, you can schedule it. I've already made a video as well on how you can schedule your live stream, but I did that on YouTube direct live stream. So you can also check my channel as well, or in the description box where I gave a detailed tutorial on how you can schedule your live stream, and that is the same thing that I applied here in case if you want to schedule your live stream on StreamYard. And remember, StreamYard has a free version, and that free version you are limited to, I think it's 20 hours or 27 hours a month. And when you exceeded that, you have to wait for another month because it has happened to me. If I exhausted the free version of hours they have given you in the free version, you have to wait for another month for you to use it. Then I'm going to put on something, and maybe I'm going to put new YouTubers, new YouTubers, as the title, and then description, blah 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 blah. I'm not going to put that. I'm public. Then we'll go to create. So as we are creating, it's taking us there already. Remember, I told you it has a limited hours you can use the StreamYard. Yeah. So, and the good part of it that if maybe you are looking for maybe inviting some of your friend or some of your besties on the channel to come and discuss on some topic, and you could have stays in different destination, you can invite them. They can stay in their house and you will stay in your house, and you can do all that. Okay, remember why I'm doing this video is either you go live with your, showing yourself, or you go live as a silent live stream. So if you are going live as silent live stream, you have to mute your mic and mute your camera, and then this name, that's your name, it will display. You can see it already. My picture is there showing, and my channel name is also showing. And then in this headline, what I want the headline to be, because I want new subscribers and I want people to like and comment my live stream, so that's what I put in the headline. And it's optional, it's either you put it or you don't want to put it. And after you have done that, what do you do next? You enter the studio. But if you're not going silent, you don't need to mute your mic and mute your camera. You have to use them. So the beauty part of it is, this is where you comment, the comment aspect, and this down part is where you go live after you have set everything. And because you are on free version, their logo will definitely be there. But if you are in paid version, you can put on your own logo or your own name, and it will work for you. So here it is, the brand. So you can change the theme anyhow you want it. You can change the overlay. So me, I love using the overlays most of the night. And then you can also use the video clip. You can add a video clip as well, just like I taught in the restream. So this place is video clips, and you can see the one I used the last time. I've already used one here. And also, if you don't want to use all that, you want to use the background, these are the beautiful backgrounds you can use as well. And then this is a background music, so you can choose the calm one. If you're using it in the night or in the day, you have to use the music that is calm, or that you like, and all that. No, don't need of playing all of them. And you have also a place that you can add your own, but make sure that the one you're adding is not a copyright music. So if you want to add your own one, make sure you are getting it from YouTube library, or you are getting it from another option, another place, but it doesn't have a copyright, so you can add it here. So after you have set all these places, the next thing you need to do is to go live. There's nothing two ways about it. You just go live, and then if you want the layout, how you want the layout to be, you can you decide to do it portrait. You can decide to do it landscape. But remember, when you do it a landscape, it's difficult for people on YouTube. When they are watching you, it will be difficult for them to swipe up to go to other people's live stream to also engage with them. So if you do it only landscaping, that means they will only come to you when they are done with you. They'll go back to another person's store, which is always difficult for people to navigate. So I will prefer if you can do it portrait. And that bring us to the end of this tutorial. And that's where you go live. And when you go live, you can decide to stay on this app, or you can decide to minimize it and then go to your YouTube. You can be communicating in your YouTube, or you can be communicating in the app. And whenever you want to end it, it's still the same place that you're showing that you are going live. That's where it's going to show you that you are going, you're ending it. Do you understand? So that's how you go with. You end it here, and voila, you have done your live stream. And thank you all. So we're going to close this one now. So now we are through with the tutorial. What are you waiting for? I will keep asking this question. Are you on YouTube for pleasure, or are you here as you are seeing YouTube as a hobby? You are here to have fun, or you are here to make money? If you're here to make money, don't sleep on going live. As long as you have gotten 50 subscribers, don't sleep on going live. If you know that the videos you are posting, you're not having enough traffic on it, you're not having enough engagement on it, because as you're having engagement and people are watching your videos, then you're getting your watch hour. But you know that your videos are not giving you the kind of watch hour you need at the moment, definitely your live stream is going to give it to you. Yes, and in when you are going live consistently and people know that you're going live consistently, or maybe you have scheduled it. But me, I don't schedule my live stream. Why? Because I have a baby in the house and I go live when I am free. But I make sure I go live sometimes twice a day. So what are you waiting for? If you are single, you don't have a baby, or you are working on YouTube to use it as another side hustle or something, whichever way, make sure that you are building your watch hour. And that brings us to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you are here and you are my old subscribers, I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate. One love. Thank you all for watching, for engaging. Please, if this video is beneficial to you, or and you get value, please make sure and help me share it, and I will appreciate. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.